How you guys doing? Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Studs & Co. dry-in kit for the ranch framing kit. This is for the ranch house. This helps you complete the ranch house and enclose it in. This has your shingles, roofing, siding, doors, windows, soffits, and whatnot. So this is what you get in your box here. You're going to get yourself a bunch of the plywood for the siding and the roofing. You're going to get yourself some 3D printed doors, which are pretty nice actually. You got your windows in here too. You got your weather stripping tapes. You have metal fascia. You have some metal soffit. You have some long planks here for sure for trim. Here's all your siding. So you get to do all the siding. There's some more trim pieces for around the roof, I'm sure. Then you also have some drip edge. Got to make sure you have your drip edge on your roof. You know, drip edge is very important. Pretty cool. They actually give you some drip edge. And they give you a whole bunch of shingles. Now, I mean, these are individuals just like real shingles. You have $25 packages of shingles, so you got a heck of a lot of shingles to put on. A couple more pieces of wood. This is your corner trims. Pretty nice. They tell you what each piece is, so you know, you already have your building built. Mine's built outside. I'll bring it in and we're gonna do some siding on it. But I'm also going to use some of this on another kit I'm going to build, and I will do an unboxing of that shortly. So again, this is another one of the Studs & Co. kits. Oh, hold on. There we go. We got some flashing tape too. Oh, we have our ridge vent and a couple more pieces of wood. Pretty neat. Very nice kit. Like I said, there's always quality kits that come from Studs & Co. I've been very happy with everything I've gotten from them. I'm doing a little tiny town, so follow along for more videos, guys. This is a great kit. Jeff, those guys there, great people to deal with. Wish you guys the best if you guys do some models. Follow along and see more.